There's some breaking news coming in at the moment. Rajnath Singh is meeting Delhi Police Commissioner B.S. Basi in Parliament in wake of the rape case in Delhi. Remember, even earlier the NSA was in fact holding meetings, and the MHA also issued a statement in the Lok Sabha. The meeting taking place in the wake of the taxi rape in Delhi. Remember, this is our top focus. Several developments in fact taking place in the case today. Brijesh Pandey joining us on the phone line with more. Brijesh, we understand that Home Minister Rajnath Singh is in fact meeting with Police Commissioner currently.
Well, yes, and this meeting has been called after a long meeting which was held with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and it is said that he is being apprised of the measures which Delhi Police is taking, and also the measures which Delhi Police will be taking in future to make sure that this kind of untoward incident doesn't happen and brings a bad name both to both Delhi Police as well as the Home Ministry and the government. And he will also be insisting upon a system where the response time to and mechanism to girls in this kind of situation is extremely fast and swift. The contours of the meeting will be known once the meeting is over. Sanjana?
Right, Brijesh, we understand meanwhile that the Delhi Police is also keen that they question the senior executives of Uber as well, and are also hoping for the general manager and the North India head to join the investigations as of today.
Well, yes, they will be questioning the senior executives of Uber because, only once they interrogate them, they will get to know the exact modus operandi of how Uber used to function in India and where exactly their office was, what kind of mechanism they used to follow to make sure that the background check of people they are employing was being kept or not, or whether they were following all the prescribed rules in transport taxi or not. And they will this particular interrogation will help the police to establish or deny any role or any foul play on the part of Uber taxi vis-a-vis following the transport laws of this country. So this particular interrogation will be based on their interrogation and also making sure whether they have complied with the existing norms and laws of the country or not. Sanjana?
Brijesh Pandey, thank you so much for bringing us that update. This is the meeting on women's security. Delhi senior cops along with the Commissioner B.S. Basi meeting with Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Remember, this is after the MHA issued a statement on women's security and safety in the capital in the Lok Sabha.